look at this. An old Reliance elevator. Hell yeah. This is a retake for me. I rode this elevator a couple years ago. And happy to say that it hasn't been modernized. Here it is. Simple cab. Oh, also look at this. Reliance. Zoom it out a little bit. Bumper. All right, take a look at our cab here. As you can see, some minor changes were made to the cab. I'd reckon this carpeting is not original to it, neither are those fluorescent lights. The old light fixture, you can tell, used to be here, and I think that would have looked nicer, but you know, I'm still pretty happy because obviously it's all the important shit's original, like the fixtures, the the actual, for the most part, cab. The doors, the motor controller, that's all original, so I'm still very happy. There's your panel. And let's go up. I don't think you can really watch out here. Oh, you can see out there. See it moving slightly. See out the top of that? A little bit. Ooh, rough stop. Focus. There we go. All right, here is your certificate. Ooh, the certificate is out of date. Not good. I'm just kidding. They probably have the regular one in the office or whatever. This one button's a little bit beat up. Did somebody try to chew on it? Like, what the hell? Anyway, back down. Bumper. Oh yeah, I like the old bumpers. What was that? The relay just had a spasm for a second. It just went. I like how I'm pointing the camera up towards where a floor indicator would be. Old habits die hard. Here, oh Jesus! Wow, yeah, it's a Reliance, all right. No other elevator brand makes such harsh stops and starts. But hey, it makes it all the more fun. Anyway, before it violently slammed to a stop, here's the capacity plate. Anyway, we'll send it up a floor and watch it go. And this actually does have a smart controller. It remembers calls. So I can push it while the door's open and then close the door, and the controller still knows. See? We'll watch it go up. Goodbye. And there it goes.